Bonding essay question 14. So question 14 talks about a non-metal element. Let's scroll. Non-metal element here, Q, reacting with calcium to form CaQ2. You know that CaQ2 is definitely ion because calcium is metal and they say Q is non-metal. So definitely it has to be ionic. So first up, okay, they tell you to, once you found out it's ionic, you so draw the dot and cross, so you know you must draw the dot and cross for ionic. They ask you to show the outer shell electronic structure only. So first up, let's do a bit crisscross. What is it for? I need to know what is the special number for Q. So once you do the reverse crisscross, you realize that calcium special number 2, not surprising, because you have it in your periodic table. Whereas for Q, special number is 1. What does the special number tells you? It actually tells you the number of electrons it has gained to obtain noble gas electronic structure. It can either be gain, loss, or share. But in this case here for Q, because it's a non-metal forming an ionic bond, we know that non-metal gains electron in an ionic bond. So Q gain 1 electron to obtain a noble gas electronic structure. So for Ca, I have 8 electrons in outer shell to form a 2+ ion. Next up, Q, I know that 1 electron is gained from elsewhere. In this case, it will be calcium, and it has 1 electron here. This is only applying for if it is one shell only. What if Q has more than one shell? So if Q has more than one shell, the outermost must have 8 electrons. So same thing, 1 electron obtained from elsewhere, the rest are filled up by its own electron. So take note of the legend here. For 14b, once again, you can see here, expect this compound, high or low melting point. So melting at boiling point, we talk about the force of attraction again. Once I've identified that CaQ2 is ionic bond, I know that this will definitely have a high melting and boiling point. Why is it so? Because we know that it's ionic compound. So therefore, a lot of energy is needed to overcome the strong ionic bonds, or sometimes we'll say the strong electrostatic force of attraction. So just take note. Okay, the melting and boiling point keeps coming out. So these are important points you must definitely know.